FileProtector Demo is a powerful showcase application built with the EaseFilter File System Filter Driver SDK, designed to demonstrate how to monitor, control, protect, and transparently encrypt file system activities in real time. Make sure to set up the settings before starting the demo by clicking the Settings button. Here, you can add, modify, or delete filter rules. At least one rule must be configured to enable monitoring and protection of file I/O operations. For a new filter rule, you must set a unique file filter mask. The filter driver will only monitor files that match this mask. In this filter rule example, we set the file filter mask to C/test/**, which means all files in the C:\test folder will be monitored. In this filter rule, you can register the file I/O events you want to monitor. Now you can set up the control filter rule by clicking the Configure Control Filter Rule Settings button. You can remove specific permissions by clearing the corresponding flags in the File Access Control settings. Here, we test removing the delete and rename permissions to block file deletion and renaming. To test encryption, enter a passphrase here. Then uncheck the Allow Read Encrypted File checkbox to disable decryption for all processes by default. In the Process Name Rights settings, you can authorize or block a process's access rights. Add the process name here. If the process is signed, you can also add the certificate name. Alternatively, add the SHA-256 hash of the executable if you want to trust the process based on its hash. Save the process rights by clicking the Apply button. You can also add or remove file access rights for specific users. You can register the callback here by selecting the associated pre- or post-I/O operations. Click the Save button to save the control filter rule settings. Click the Start Protector button to start the Protector service. Now, let's begin the file deletion test. As shown in the console, file deletion was blocked due to the control filter rule settings. Now, let's begin testing the file rename operation. As shown in the console, the file rename operation was blocked due to the control filter rule settings. Now, let's begin testing transparent file encryption feature. Copy a test file into the test folder. It will be automatically encrypted. Notepad is authorized to read the encrypted file. Notepad++ is not authorized to read the encrypted file and receives the raw ciphertext. The demo implements a zero-trust model, where all users and processes are blacklisted by default, and access is granted only to the whitelist process Notepad. Here, we test copying the encrypted file out of the test folder using File Explorer. The file remains encrypted after the copy.